डेली अशी पणजे येता न्ही?
Yes, I do come every day to Pancham. Yeah, I come for some work or the other.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are looking this all this mess of smart city. The work is going on still. So what is your comment on how you are facing hardship?
It's hardship because each time we come, we find road blockage. They should have done it part by part. Instead of opening up everywhere and digging up everywhere, it becomes a problem for us. You know, they should have done part by part. You know, instead of the inconvenience caused. Now we have to keep on going round and round because the moment we come to a place, it's blocked. Then we have to go take another turn. There it's blocked. Somehow or the other, we're just going round and round in circles. You know, it is difficult.
So government and the CCP has given a deadline, but they have not able to complete the work as per the deadline.
Yeah.
So do you think how many more days they will took to complete this? If you see the pace of the work phase.
I only pray that they'll be able to do it before monsoons. Otherwise, it'll be even worse than what it is today. It'll be even worse. So I only pray that they will be able to complete the work before monsoons, before the rains. That's all I can
Otherwise,
wish for.
it will be a worse situation.
It will be a worse situation. Yes, it will be. A lot of where all they have done, it'll all sink. The roads will fail. There'll be a lot of ups and downs. There'll be on the road. So it is dangerous for those who ride on bikes. It becomes really dangerous.
Just tell me your name.
I'm Sarah.
Okay. So this smart city work is going on. How you are facing inconvenience or what?
Inconvenience, first of all, is all the mud they've put at the entrance of my door is coming up on the top. Plus, all the time in the night they come and they drop this. Night at 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock they came with a big heap of gravel stone there, and they were wanted to put here again. My husband came down the moment he heard the truck, and then we drove them away from here. It's not correct, no. Somebody's entrance of the house they are going to do like this. Not correct, no. Huh?
So you're just mentioning about the footpath or something here. What they are going to do here?
They are going to put pavers here, it seems.
Okay.
Pavers here. Okay, and put plants here. Columns are there. These columns are very old columns of 48. You and I are not born at that time. And they're going to do this damage. The moment they took one thing from there, I came to know that they're touching the pavement. And I came down to see.
So the people are not been taken into confidence while
First
doing
of all, the public is not taken into confidence. Where they're doing, they don't come and see. Nothing. These Gandhis are doing the work. Laborers are doing the work, no? That is not correct, no? The laborers are doing, where they know who's going to be affected where. It's not correct, no?
So all over Panjim city same situation.
I don't know about other part. I had told my neighbors, see what they have done. See there. See the pavement, how much they have gone inside. Even one person cannot walk. See. Can one person walk along? Two people can walk. They had left such a big pavement there. Nicely done. They dug the whole thing. What is this? We neighbors need something. We need the city of Panjim. And you're going to put plants? Nonsense, no. How can you put plants here? On my payment, and he's telling me this is not your property, this is CCP's property. You think CCP would have allowed this columns? Huh? They're telling me it is CCP's property. It is CCP's property. And CCP would have allowed this columns here.
So whom you are going to raise your concern?
We called them. We called this fellow who are looking after the smart city. And I told him, I don't want any pavers here. Nothing. You just put this type of block, cover it up. And this, he's saying he's putting like that type of things. Payment is going to do. Fine. But here there are pipelines. There are pipelines. See, here there are pipelines. Here there is a pipeline for them. There is a pipeline for us. Here is a pipeline for two people.
Okay.
Here and the first floor. There are all pumped, the same. Then how they will do pavers here? It's rubbish, no?
So all work is like mismanaged and...
Now he's saying they're going to put pipes, it seems. And then they're going to put some other cables. So each time they are going to dig. How many times they are going to place these things?
So you are not now. You will not allow them to put here anything.
Nothing. Just this type of things. If they allow, they put fine. But no plants. I don't want anything. I don't want even those pavers here. Where they will put the pavers? They want to put the pavers here. How can they put the pavers here? You tell me. When my building is there, they cannot put like that. No?
How old building is?
This building was built, I think. First there was a whole house here in 48 that time. Then after that this building came. In I think in
Any minor damage also it will create a problem.
minor, if they take out that one block, I can hear on top it vibrates. The whole building vibrates, and that's how I came running down. And I made the noise. And this is a commercial area, no? Senior citizens walk, children walk. You put pavers, they're going to jump. No, we are putting the pavers so that they don't bring the cars in. I said, what nonsense is this? Huh? What nonsense?
जे तुमच्या फुड्यानूय हांगाचे खणला बी सो तुमच्या हांगा कितें हॉटेल आसा
We are running this restaurant over here. So like the work is going on, it's going on. It's for our purpose only, for a good cause. So like let it go, like let everything get like nicely. They are doing the work nicely. We are having problem, we'll have problem for some time, but it's okay.
So केन्ना when they have started to dig this road?
This is for the past 6 days it's going on. Yeah.
So they have told anything when they are
They
completing?
told like they gave us a timing about 15-20 days. They said maybe it might extend also.
So they have given timeline of 10 to 15 days.
15 days. Yeah.
But it's not going to complete in that day.
They say like now we'll see. Watch.
So you are saying this is for the development purpose?
It's for a good purpose, no? Like it's good. Anyways, parking and all. There was lots of issues also. Like every day fight, and this is the way to the market. So like it's fine. Like it's good.
So even if it takes time, it is better for people.
The people now like we have to take some trouble. Later on, it's for our cause only. It's good for the people only.
Okay. Because all people are shouting like work is very slow. It's not going to complete very fast. You know.
I don't know.
So you
like-
are the first person who are telling this is betterment of people.
Yeah, this is betterment. I feel like it is for the betterment of the people. We have to suffer for sometimes. That is there. If you want to get something good, little bit trouble we have to take. We are also facing problem, but it is for our cause only. So like, I'll say like it's for good.
नमस्कार, आमी आसा पणजेन आनी पणजेन आमी आसा हें सांगपाक वेगळी वळख करून दिवपाची गरज ना. म्हाज्या फाटल्यान तुमी पळया सगळ्याक जें खणून दवरलेलें आसा सद्या गोंयांत तें शार म्हणटा तें पणजे. स्मार्ट सिटीचें काम हांगासर चालू आसा, आजून चालू आसा आनी 31 मे ही सरकारान आनी थळावो आमदार मंत्र्यान डेडलायन दिल्ली आसा. त्या डेडलायनी प्रमाण ही कामां जातलीं काय ना तें खबर ना. पूण आतां सद्या पणजे 3-4 कडेन तरी जे अशे हे स्ट्रेच आसा ते खणून दवरलेले आसा आनी तेचें काम चालू आसा. आमी सद्या आसा डॉन बॉस्कोचे फाटल्यान आहा थंय आनी हो तो स्ट्रेच आसा. आमी जेन्ना हांगासर उलयले लोकां वांगडा उलयले जाल्यार लोकांच्यो कागाळी आसा की लोकांक विश्वासान घेयनासतना हे हांगासर जाय थंय फोडटात आनी कितें करतात. जे ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्यो ज्यो आसा पणजे भितर तेचे जे खांबे आसा ते सामके ओल्ड जाल्ले आहा ते सुद्दां शेक जातात. अशे तरेच्यो कागाळी आमकां एका आंटीन आमचे कडेन उलयतना त्यो मांडल्यो. तेजे उपरांत एक हॉटेलवालोय मेळ्ळो. तोय म्हणटा की काम केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलें खबर ना पूण आमच्या बऱ्या खातीर हें काम आसा अशें तो म्हणटा. आनी एक आमकां जाणटी बायल मेळ्ळी जी डेली पणजे यो वच करता. तिनी कशी हार्डशीप तिका फेस जाता तेंय सांगलां. तर अशा तरेन आमी जर पळयत जाल्यार स्मार्ट सिटीची कामां आजून पर्यंत सुरू आसात. 31 मे ही डेडलायन दिल्या. लोकांचें म्हणणें इतलेंच आसा की निदान पावसा पयलीं तरी हें काम पुराय जावचें जेणे करून आनी त्रास जावचो ना. आनी जर पावसान तें जर जालें ना जाल्यार मात हो सगळो आनी एक व्हडलें मॅस जातलें आनी सगळे लोक त्रास आतां जो तांकां जाता तेचे पळय चड त्रास जातलो अशें लोकांचें म्हणणें. आनी म्हणून पावसा पयलीं तरी निदान ही कामां जावची इतल्याच लोकांचे जे आहा ते मागणे आसा. हांव विश्वनाथ निने सयत वर्षा आश्वेकर, पणजी.